Hello everyone, it's me Arif, and today we have a short hands-on video with the S21 Ultra. I've been looking forward to this phone all these years since the last ultra premium phone from Samsung. In short, I love it. I was quite excited in using the camera. I've been in love with the high refresh rate since the dawn of the refresh rate has shined upon our smartphones. As you can see here, I have not dealt with many functions on the phone much, mainly due to the fact that this is just a hands-on video, plus it isn't mine. So I kept myself from the other settings. With the brief hands-on, it was great. It feels really premium in my hand, but to be honest, my hands are tiny compared to the screen and I really hate the weight. It weighs around 230 grams, which is around 8 ounces, and this feels so heavy. I prefer a much more lighter device such as my S9, which is made of glass and metal, but weight distribution is really great. With the S21 Ultra, it seems like the device is quite heavier from the camera side. It gets quite difficult in handling in daily life. There's so many features in the Samsung phone, such as the direct share, link to Windows, and many other features that you can find in One UI, mainly in the flagship. So I really love the Dex mode. Also I love the Your Phone app from the desktop, and also from my tab, the direct share. It just gives a seamless experience between all of your devices. So I haven't dealt with this many settings with this S21 Ultra in this short hands-on, but I'm looking forward to show a short description of how I regularly use my Samsung and my Windows device in a seamless experience, obviously. So yeah, if you guys are looking forward to that, do leave me a comment below about that, and do let me know what are you looking forward to it. And I hope to see you guys soon. Till then, subscribe. Anyhow, this is just a short hands-on video. I'm looking forward to upgrading my phone, and I'll inform you guys soon. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.